Hello, I'm Yok Boon. Today, I'd like to share with you on how to create Excel formula with Excel VBA. Okay, let's say given the data here X value and Y value. So we want to create a formula in column C and column D with the value here C is X plus 2Y, D is X squared plus 2XY plus Y squared. Okay. So to do this, we insert a shape, any shape. Let's say we rounded rectangle, we insert. Okay. Then we right click here, we go to assign macro. Now we have this, then we put here new. New. So that means we enter. So now we do in sheet 1. So we put worksheet open bracket sheet 1 in double quotation sheet 1. Close, then range. So range we want it in just now it's C2 dash to C10. Close quotation mark, then dot formula. So then equal. Then equal, then it must be in double quotation, then we put equal. So this is to create formula. Then this one is 2x, then 2 times A2 plus this one 2x plus y. And plus y is b2, then close the double quote. And we enter. And we go and see here. X plus 2y, sorry, so we change here. I mean it's do times. Then we go here. Then we click. See here. Straight away you have answer. Then you see formula. You have formula. So let's say you want this x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So this one similarly you can create. Then you create worksheet sheet 1 dot range open double quotation mark. Now D2 to D10, close, then formula. Formula must equal, then space, double quotation, then equal sign. So this one is to create formula. Then is 2x squared, so that means it's A2 times A2 plus 2 times A2 times B2 plus B2 times B2, means square, then close the double quotation mark. Then you have this. Go back here. You click. See, you have all this square like this. So once you want this, you see here got formula, but you don't want the formula to be here you want to be got value on it, so you go back here, you change worksheet sheet 1, okay, dot range. Okay, so now it's C2 dot D10 because you have two range, right? Dot value equal same, no, value equal value sheet 1 dot range C2 D10 dot value. Done. Okay, and you go back here. Okay, agree. So you see no more formula. Okay, that means if let's say I change here to 2 3, I click here, so still no formula, so it's always there. Okay, so if you like my channel, thank you.